Hi guys, see the lamb. There's nothing good like coming back home, having to see a beautiful animal like this. Hmm? Beautiful view. Hmm? This is priceless, nigga. Priceless. The lamb and the goat, the lamb and the lion. We never bow down to the goat. You see the sun, man. Also, beautiful house, man. Village life is so nice, man. You have to appreciate the calmness, no traffic, no noise, no bad vibes. Just you and the nature. The lamb and lion, we never bow down to the goat. Remember that. Don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget about that. Mm? Always popping. I'll never sell my soul to the devil like Kanye did. Or you guys know it's a crappy day. Although it comes with a few toys and a happy meal. But I don't really care about it, man. I know God will come through for us. As I told you guys, God over everything. God will bless you and you every time. Because the lion and the goat will never bow down. And I'm loving this, man, and the village, man. This is where we started from. Can you imagine since I was 3 years now? 3 years old boy, man. Hmm? And I'm back again. Feeling energetic, feeling fresh, feeling happy, feeling jovial. Like, it's crazy, man. Love this. Look at this. You cannot make this thing stop, man. Thing is sleepy, man. She loves me. She have the big boss. Hmm? Bye, guys. More videos, more blessings. Everything for life.